Shumigire hituku niguo miri ya andu eri mundurume na mutumia yahithukirwe tetwo mwena wa Mbaruti gicigo mbunge kia Naikuru ya ithwiro na kuria mwiri wa mundurume wakurikanire hindi iyo no indi wa muiritu kiaga gukurikana amu wari murenge Mutwe na uria utari haria ngero ino yatabaniirio na thutha wa ciumia cia uthuthuria na kuhitana na ekwirwa ngero ino riu maabitha borithi ni mahithukitie mutwe uyu kioro-ini gia fiti 15 kilomita 4 kuma haria miri ya eri aya yakorirwe tetwo.
Paka hapa sasa tumefika, naweza kutangaza kwamba tumefaulu kupata kichwa cha msichana ambaye alikatwa shingo kwa upanga baada kulingana uchunguzi wetu baada ya manajisi ya kidhumla. We call it a gang rape and a heinous killing of an innocent 20-year-old girl.
Kulingana na kamanda wa borithi kaunti ya Naikuru Peter Mwanzo, ekwirwo atatu wa ngero ino nio mari moko-ini ma maabitha borithi.
We have right now quite a number of suspects that we have been able to round up. So far we have 3. And from the investigations that we are conducting, we believe that this kind of an act could not have been conducted by one person or 2 people or 3. This must have been a group of people.
Mwiri wa muiritu uyu riu ni urikite gukurikana ta Unisa Sindu wa mukuru wa miaka 20 andu a family yake magitaririo ria makoretwo magethana na mwari wao.
Thereafter, she got some information that there was a body that had been discovered at some point in Mbaruti. So she came to confirm and contacted police, and according to the information that we have is that positively she was able to identify that girl as her daughter, and we are happy that we have managed to get somewhere.
Riri ekwirwo wa ngero ino matanyitwo gukinywo igoti-ini. Kamanda wa borithi Peter Mwanzo neranire wirutiri wa honge cia ugitiri hari kuhukia kaima na ikundi cia wikinaĩ kaunti-ini ya Naikuru.
So pursuing is the motive behind these murders, in the sense that why would someone for whatever reason commit such a heinous murder of slitting a girl and running away with the head, and even before that exhibiting her nakedness in public. It's like something that we are not able to comprehend and understand.
Matura mamwe ma kaunti ya Naikuru na makiricigo-ini mbunge cia Bahati, Naikuru irathiro na iria ya ithwiro ikoretwo igomeirwo ni ciiko cia ũhaguku wa ugitiri kuria gikundi kia wikinaĩ gia confirm gikoretwo gigitharikira muingi mahinda kwa mahinda. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.